ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and CNBC TV18 present Mission Insure India, life insurance for all.
Mr. Sathe, well, as the senior most, let me start with you. Insurance penetration at 2.7, other Asian countries are almost double at 4.7%. Is this only a product of low per capita income, or is it more ignorance?
How do we calculate penetration? Penetration is the insurance to GDP ratio. Now the insurance premium, if it increases substantially at a faster rate than the GDP, obviously the penetration will go up. And since GDP is growing reasonably well at 6–7% for the last couple of years, obviously unless insurance premium grows at a higher rate than that, the penetration will not go up. And let me tell you, over a period of time it is seen that the insurance penetration has been increasing, though not at substantial rate or the desired rate, but it has been increasing. And that is a good sign.
Okay. What would you say, Puneet, to that? Is this because of the unaffordability factor, a lot of people are not buying protection? Or is it that, you know, we haven't even reached the message?
I think it's a combination of everything. The most important, of course, is the awareness levels. The point you made about message, I think that is a responsibility for all of us together to ensure that. But if I look at it historically, I think it is also a bit to do with affordability. You know, when the income levels in a country are low, people are worried about basic necessities. Also, India traditionally, culturally had a very strong joint family system. Where does insurance come in? Insurance comes if you are not there, who takes care of your dependents? In the old joint family system, you know, rest of the family would take care of your dependents like you took care of their dependent. I think as families are becoming nuclear, as income levels are increasing, at least that part is getting taken care of. And I think right now the single most important agenda for all of us is to increase the awareness levels. And I think government is playing its role, regulators playing its role, industry is playing its role, distributors are playing their role. But clearly there's a long way to go for all of us.
Okay. What would you say, Mr. Manikam? Is it that a large number of people are not even aware that they have to buy this product? It is affordable, but they are not buying protection.
The average premium per policy is only 22,000 rupees, whereas the affordable income of a fellow Indian is more than 2 lakh rupees. When he is having disposable income of more than 2 lakh rupees, and he is able to, he is having only 22,000 rupees as a premium, there is enough room for them to go for higher number of policies, either term insurance policies or endowment policies, all these things. What I can say, awareness is very much there in India for life insurance. Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has come out with the PMJJBY that has given added boost to the awareness. Yes. So awareness is very much there. It is affordability also is there.
Under penetration to the protection gap, the problem is not just that those who can afford are are not buying insurance, but they don't seem to be buying enough insurance. Yashish, how do you look at this problem? Why is it that people, you know, should be insuring themselves for probably 1 crore? Their affordability is there, but they think probably 10 lakhs is enough. That seems to be the bigger problem, isn't it?
I totally agree. I think the bigger issue is when a family loses that breadwinner, and it doesn't happen, it should never happen, but in life it does happen. When that happens, the economic void created is very deep. And people do not fully appreciate the severity of that. And that is not communicated enough also. I think we as an industry have failed at communicating the size of that void. See, typically, if you look at the insurance industry today, roughly 97% of all premium is going towards some form of savings products. Whereas, you know, what is going towards pure protection is very, very small. And I think that is the reason as an industry, we haven't done enough to educate the consumer on that need and that void. And that void, as Sir pointed out, in a nuclear family, today I have so many situations where some friend has expired, somebody has expired, and they are in a financially difficult position. And then friends get together to put some money together, etc. But it's very little compared to the needs, the long-term needs of
absolutely.
that family. And I think that gap is, whatever the numbers say, this 2.7%, etc., actually means nothing. That gap is way too wide, right? Today, I would say there are about 1 million, 2 million pure protection policies being sold in this country, which is just too small.
What is it as a percentage of total insurance?
I think as number of policies will be 3%. And that is the reason the biggest issue you are having is a sum assured to premium difference. People are paying a premium, but that premium is not going towards the sum assured.
Yeah.
And the protection is the reason for this industry. So I think somewhere that piece is not being focused sufficiently.
ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and CNBC TV 18 present Mission Insure India, life insurance for all.